So here we're looking at the calculation 132 multiplied by 23. So we've written into our formal written method here, into our column method, and you can see that we've got 1 in our hundreds, 3 in our tens, and 2 in our ones to make 132. And then we've got 2 in our tens and 3 in our ones to make 23. Now in this question, 23 is our multiplier. So we are multiplying 132 by 23. So our first step is going to be looking at 132 multiplied by 3. So looking at the ones of our multiplier. So as always, we start with our ones, and 2 multiplied by 3 equals 6. So we will put 6 into our ones column. Moving along into the tens, we're going to do 30 multiplied by 3. Now 30 multiplied by 3 is 90, so we'll put a 9 in our 10 column. And then a step up from what we've done in our previous lessons, we're now going to look at the hundreds. So 100 times 3. And 100 times 3 is 300, so we will put a 3 in our hundreds column. So altogether, 132 multiplied by 3 is 396. We'll now look at the tens from our multiplier. So we've got 2 tens, which is 20. So we're now going to do 132 multiplied by 20. Now you can see we've got this in green here. So again, we just go through each of the steps, starting with our ones. So 2 multiplied by 20 is 40. So we put a 0 in our ones column and our 4 into our tens column. We then do 30 multiplied by 20. 30 multiplied by 20 is 600. So we would put 6 in our hundreds column. And finally, we do 100 multiplied by 20. So 100 multiplied by 20 is 2,000. So we put a 2 in our thousands column. Then we just need to add them all together. So 6 plus 0 equals 6. So we're adding these two here. 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. So we would exchange our 1 into the hundreds column because we've actually got 90 plus 40. 90 plus 40 is a 130. So we've got 100 in our hundreds column and then 3 tens to show 30. We've then got 300s and 600s, which make 900. So we would put a 9 here, but we've already got this 1 here, so we need to add that to it as well. So 900 plus 100 equals 1,000, which would mean we put a 0 in the hundreds column because we have no hundreds, and we would exchange 1 into the thousands column because we've got 1,000. We then do 2,000 plus 1,000, which equals 3,000. So the answer to 132 multiplied by 23 is 3,036.